Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm very thrilled to announce that I'm on the Scrap Diva Designs design team. Thank you, Erica. I'm so excited. I'm also grateful to everyone who supported me and left me with wonderful comments throughout these years, and also to all the new subbies. This video is the unboxing of the metal die sets I received from Scrap Diva Designs for December release. It is available starting December 1st, 2023. You could get a 10% discount using code Prisgemic10. All the details in the description box below. Let's get started. First off, we have this poinsettia flower set. It's really amazing die because it has a lot of details on the leaves, as well as it has many defined leaves on the poinsettia, and when you layer it, it looks really amazing. It also includes this middle part of the flower, and it comes with a small and a big size, and it's super awesome. Next up, we have this soda bottle. It's great to make shakers with it in the middle here, and you can add a lot of different shaker bits inside, and it says soda and cheers. And in the back, it includes a soda label and a soda cap. This is so cute. Next up, we have this star closure clip tags. This is something new, and I've never seen this before. It looks like those bread tabs. I'm looking forward to making something out of this and see how this goes. I believe this clips onto something, and it's a tag. It looks really nice. Next up, we have this heart globe shaker. I really love this heart globe shaker because it also has a layering base piece for the bottom here, and it has these stitch lines, and it includes these shaker bits, heart shaker bits, and this probably looks like another layering piece for the bottom of the globe shaker. It's super cute. It's a different style of a globe shaker, so it's really awesome, and it's heart shaped. Next up, we have Christmas elf in a small size and a large size. It's super cute because of these glasses. They're heart shaped, and it comes with a pom-pom for the hat and this trim. It's gonna look super awesome when layering, and with some detailed leaves and the face features. And here's the face. Next up, we have this winter hat Memorydex. Super awesome. It has all these heart details, and also snowflake and some Christmas trees, and it looks like one of those designs, like patterns for your hat. It's super cute and awesome. It's a nice size. Here we have 3D chocolate gift box. I love that it has some lace details here, and there's stitching, and a lot of details go into this, and it says sweet treat. You could put lots of things. You could put your a pen or some chocolates, anything. Super awesome. Next up, we have this Christmas chair word set, and it looks like a new font. It says presents, and we have think this is like upside down, maybe that's why I'm having troubles reading this. Christmas, Santa's, chair, and pole. Let's see. Elf, holidays, happy, greetings. And not sure if I missed something here. Not really quite sure what this is. We'll have to see. Okay, next up we have these leaves bundle. This is very detailed. It's useful for putting it in backgrounds or embellishing your rosettes or anything like your bows, and it has different styles of leaves, and it's just super awesome and different sizes. Yeah. Next up we have this 3D house gift box. It looks like a suitcase or a carry-on. It looks so neat with this handle, and these are the doors or windows. In the back we have this slot here, I believe. So you slot the handle in the middle, and it looks like this is like maybe the roof, and another handle to layer it, and some more windows here. I'm looking forward to seeing how this looks. Next up we have this K-cup gift box. We have the strip that you could put on top of this template. This template is really nice looking for the back of the box, so you can display these different embellishments, and it has the steam coming out, and these coffee beans are very useful. It's really cute with the spoon with a heart-shaped handle. Very cute. Makes a nice gift, and this one says coffee break. So super awesome. Whoever likes coffee, this is a really very good gift to give. Next up we have this elf mini album. Super cute. It's a very nice size. You can store it, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. You could put instant photos here, and yeah, it's super awesome. Maybe you can do like different faces at the front of this album. Super awesome. Next up we have this add-on 3D house gift box. So I believe it's for part of this here, maybe. I'm thinking, not quite sure. We'll see how it goes. It's really nice. It has sort of like a gingerbread kind of you're like decorating a gingerbread house, and it has this lollipop and some peppermint candies and some icing details with some jujubes and some more peppermint candy pieces here, and some more icing details. Super cute. Here we have tab set 2. This looks like it could be for your album and scrapbooking album, and these are tabs, and you can label these, and maybe have folder you can use these as a folder too, and or recipe cards. It's many multi-use for these tabs. It's super awesome. I might try to make something with folders for your album with it. It's very useful. Next up, we have Present Mini Album. And this one is also good for putting instant photos, embellishments, and it comes with this bow. It looks really cute. And yeah. And here we have a 3D gift purse. Really nice. It comes with an acorn and some berries for decorating and other different kinds of leaves. It's very detailed with some bells. Looks like it could fit a lot of stuff in here. And the handle, you can hold it. Makes a really great gift. You can store a lot of embellishments for swaps or happy mail. And last we have this Snowflake Bow Bundle. Comes in a large, medium, and small, and very detailed. And something different is we have the snowflake on the side and other snowflakes you could put in the middle and decorate something in the middle. You could add something in the middle. It looks super awesome. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.